Let's talk about accountants. You know, those folks who often get pigeonholed as the boring number crunchers of the business world. But let me tell you, that stereotype couldn't be further from the truth. Accountants are anything but boring. In fact, they are some of the most dynamic and interesting professionals out there. So, why are accountants not boring? Let's dive into that. First off, let's acknowledge the old stereotype. For decades, accountants were seen as the quiet types who sat in cubicles, surrounded by stacks of papers and calculators, just crunching numbers all day long. Sure, that's part of the job, but it's only a fraction of what accountants do. Today's accountants are not just number crunchers. They are critical thinkers, problem solvers, and strategic advisors. They bring creativity to the table, often using their analytical skills to help businesses thrive in ways that go beyond just balancing books. Think about it. Accountants are often required to have a solid grasp of financial concepts, but they also need to be creative. They have to visualize complex financial data and find innovative solutions to problems. This requires a unique blend of analytical thinking and creativity. It's like being an artist, but instead of a canvas, they're working with spreadsheets and financial statements. They have to see the big picture while paying attention to the tiniest of details. That's not boring, that's fascinating. Now, let's talk about technology. If you think accountants are stuck in the past, think again. Today's accountants are tech-savvy professionals who leverage cutting-edge technology to streamline their workflows. With advancements in artificial intelligence and cloud computing, accountants can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up their time for more strategic work. They're not just sitting behind a desk anymore. They're out there using technology to provide insights that help businesses make smarter decisions. This is a rapidly evolving field, and accountants must stay ahead of the curve, which makes their work exciting and dynamic. Accountants also play a vital role in helping businesses navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. From small startups to large enterprises, they use their skills to identify opportunities and mitigate risks. They're not just there to ensure compliance. They're strategic partners who help organizations grow and succeed. Imagine being at the forefront of a company's financial health, being the go-to person for making crucial decisions that impact the bottom line. That's not just a job, that's an adventure. And let's not forget about communication. Accountants must be able to take complicated financial concepts and make them accessible to clients and colleagues. They have to explain the intricacies of tax laws, financial regulations, and investment strategies in a way that makes sense to those who may not have a financial background. This requires strong communication skills and the ability to connect with people from various backgrounds. It's a blend of technical knowledge and interpersonal skills that makes accountants not only valuable, but also incredibly interesting. Now, let's get into the various specializations within the accounting field. Accountants can specialize in auditing, tax preparation, forensic accounting, financial planning, and much more. Each of these areas offers unique challenges and opportunities. For instance, forensic accountants investigate financial discrepancies and fraud, which can be like being a detective in the financial world. How cool is that? They're solving mysteries, piecing together clues from financial statements, and helping to uncover wrongdoing. That's exciting work. And the career paths in accounting are diverse. You can become a certified public accountant, CPA, work in corporate accounting, or even start your own accounting firm. The opportunities are endless. Each path offers its own set of challenges and rewards, making the profession anything but monotonous. Accountants are constantly learning, adapting, and growing in their careers, which keeps things fresh and engaging. Let's also consider the work environment. Accountants are no longer confined to the back office. They're out there meeting clients, collaborating with teams, and sometimes even traveling for work. The interactions they have and the relationships they build are integral to their success. They're not just crunching numbers, they're engaging with people, understanding their needs, and providing valuable insights. This human element adds a layer of excitement to the profession that many people overlook. And if you think accountants are all about routine, think again. The accounting profession is filled with peaks and valleys. During tax season, for example, accountants work long hours, often pulling all-nighters to meet deadlines. But outside of tax season, they have the opportunity to explore strategic planning, business consulting, and advisory roles. This ebb and flow keeps the work dynamic and allows accountants to engage in various projects throughout the year. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the perception that accountants are boring. This stereotype often stems from a lack of understanding of what accountants actually do. It's easy to paint them with a broad brush when all you see is the surface level. But when you dig deeper, you realize that accountants are problem solvers, strategists, and innovators. They're the ones who help business navigate financial challenges and seize opportunities. They're the unsung heroes of the corporate world, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure everything runs smoothly. So, the next time you think of accountants as just boring number crunchers, remember that they are so much more than that. They are creative thinkers who use their analytical skills to solve complex problems. They are tech-savvy professionals who leverage cutting-edge technology to provide valuable insights. They are strategic partners who help organizations grow and succeed. They are excellent communicators who can make complicated concepts easy to understand. They are diverse in their specializations and career paths, and they thrive on collaboration and interaction. In conclusion, accountants are not boring. They are fascinating, dynamic, and essential to the success of businesses everywhere. So, if you're ever in need of an interesting conversation, don't underestimate the accountant in your life. Ask them about their work, their experiences, and the challenges they face. You might just find that they have some incredible stories to share, and who knows, you might even be inspired to consider a career in accounting yourself. It's a field that offers endless opportunities for growth, creativity, and excitement. So, let's celebrate accountants for the interesting professionals they truly are.